I found this cordless drill from scrap. It's not working, so I decided to repair it. The battery is loose because the support broke. Let's check the battery at first. It shows no value, maybe the battery is dead, as it was lying in the open field since long. So this is all it has, lots of batteries. Its weight as it has seen lots of rain. It has total 11 batteries. This black thing is the temperature sensor. As the temperature goes above certain limit, it stops charging to avoid explosion. I tried charging the battery, but it's dead, so it can't be charged. So now let's see what's inside the drill. Things looks normal inside. Let's remove the thing to check if it's still working. This black lever is to run the motor clockwise or anti-clockwise. It seems like someone opened this before, as they placed the motor wrong way. It should be like this to shift the gears. Let's check this motor if it's still working. It's not working. I will open the motor to see what's wrong inside. So as you can see, the brushes seems damaged. The brushes tear down due to the friction. Unfortunately, it can't be replaced, so I brought this new motor at about $3. It has a bit longer shaft, but it will not be a matter. So now I have to remove the gear and place it into the new motor. I tried to remove it myself, but it don't work. So I use hydraulic. Now I have to place it on this new motor. Applying grease so that it slides easily. Finally, it's done. Now I have to solder this motor with the switch. Since the battery is dead, I will connect a cord to power this drill. These copper strips will be plugged into the socket. Let's place the things back. I have used this 12 volt DC adapter. It's working as expected, but as it was in direct sunlight for years, the plastic became fragile, so it will not work for long. Still, the purpose was to show you how to repair the drill. Okay, hope you like this video. Ensure to subscribe. See you in the next video.